Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The future of luxury mobility is here, and it wears the badge of a brand that is reshaping the global market. The 2026 BYD M9 luxury van arrives with the confidence of a new era, combining electric innovation, ultra-premium comfort, and bold design inspired by executive travel. This is not just a van, it is a rolling lounge designed for business leaders, families, and anyone who wants the highest level of space and comfort on the road. Let's take a closer look at what makes the BYD M9 stand out in 2026. The first thing that captures attention is the exterior design. The M9 looks more like a futuristic shuttle than a traditional van, with smooth lines, a high roofline, elegant LED lighting, and a long wheelbase that emphasizes its premium proportions. The front facade carries BYD's latest luxury identity, with a bold grille pattern and lighting signatures that run across the width, giving it a striking look day and night. Large premium wheels and sliding powered doors remind you that this is a modern luxury vehicle built for comfort and VIP experience. Inside the cabin, BYD has gone all in to deliver a high-end sanctuary. The moment the doors slide open, you are met with a lounge-like atmosphere. Premium leather seating, multi-zone ambient lighting, wood and brushed metal finishes, and advanced sound insulation wrap you in quiet comfort. The highlight is the second row, featuring two executive captain seats with full recline, leg rests, massage functions, heating, cooling, and memory presets. Between them is a center console with wireless charging, cup coolers, and digital controls, letting passengers command the environment with ease. The dashboard features a large panoramic screen supported by intelligent software, integrating navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and smart assistant features. A secondary display for the passenger lets the front row enjoy media while the driver stays focused. The steering design is clean and modern, and the digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving data in crisp clarity. The M9 is equipped with a premium audio system tuned for theater-quality sound, transforming the interior into a private cinema on wheels. Of course, power and innovation are at the core of this model. The BYD M9 takes advantage of the company's advanced electric platform, offering smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and impressive range for long-distance travel. Fast charging technology allows quick top-ups during a coffee break, making long trips easier than ever. Whether used for corporate mobility, family travel, or luxury ride services, the M9 brings the confidence of reliable electric performance and low running costs. Safety and technology define the luxury experience in the M9. An intelligent driving suite supports the driver with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, automatic emergency braking, and advanced parking systems. Multiple cameras provide 360-degree visibility, while radar and smart sensors help monitor surroundings, making every trip safer and more relaxing. The structure is reinforced with modern materials to maximize protection, and the cabin includes advanced air purification to deliver clean and healthy air to all passengers. On the road, the ride quality is smooth and controlled. Thanks to electric power delivery, the M9 glides forward with minimal vibration. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing rough surfaces while maintaining composure, and the quiet cabin makes conversations natural even at highway speeds. Whether you are being chauffeured or driving yourself, the experience feels premium in every way. The 2026 BYD M9 luxury van proves that luxury is evolving. It is no longer only about engines and badges, but about smart technology, space, sustainability, and comfort. This model brings the future into the present, showing how electric mobility can redefine the high-end travel experience. If you are looking for a vehicle that feels like a personal lounge on wheels, with style and innovation, the BYD M9 is ready to lead the way. We'll see you next video.